Constructing a midpoint of a line segment is extremely similar to constructing the perpendicular bisector. And the reason for that is that a perpendicular bisector, by definition of bisector, it goes through the midpoint. So step one, if we're looking for the midpoint, to construct the midpoint of line segment AB, is to construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. So to do that, we put the center of the compass on point A, one of the endpoints, and we draw an arc, and the radius is flexible. You can make it larger or smaller, but it has to go at least halfway to point B. So for example, it might look like that. Then flip your compass over and do the same thing with the same size from point B. Where these two arcs cross, you kind of get a football shape, and that creates a perpendicular line. So there's the perpendicular bisector. It's perpendicular, and it goes through the middle. So the two sides are congruent. However, if the purpose of the question is to find the midpoint is actually this point right here. And you have to be sure to mark it as a point and then label it. I'm going to choose M for midpoint, but whatever letter the directions say is what you would then mark that point. And it's actually that point that is the answer. M is the midpoint of line segment AB.